Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Monday, the 17th of April. Before I get started today, just a quick reminder for anybody that watches the cast out in Perth. I'll be in Perth on Thursday the 20th doing a seminar on trading, Forex, inflation, and a whole bunch of investment things. So if you can make it, it's at the Hyatt at from between 6 and 8 p.m. The details are up on the screen so that you can see that. That's this Thursday. All right, let's get started. Let's look at news that came out on Friday. We had retail sales numbers from the US. Those numbers missed the mark a little bit, coming in at negative 0.8% and negative 1% correspondingly. So spending has reduced in the US. That's 3 months in a row now. That's a good indicator for inflation. Inflation is starting to peak down, so the spending is starting to reduce, which basically helps inflation come down. So we may see the end of interest rates, and in fact they're saying, the Fed Reserve saying that this may come in, the interest rates that they look at possibly increasing those rates, but it may signal the peak of those increases. So there you have it. The only other data that came out on Friday was the preliminary UOM consumer sentiment number that came in at 63.5. That pretty much wraps up for there. All right, let's move along and let's have a look at our chart of the day. The chart that I'm looking at this morning is the US CAD on a daily timescale. If you have a look at this particular chart, I've marked out already, it's a very thick line there. Let me just modify that a little bit. That's better. All right, so I've marked out a level where the market has been supportive. We've come off that level one time, two times, and we are there right now one more time. So the question is, will it bounce again? So that's what we're looking for. Before I go ahead and take a trade here, I'm looking to see if I can get any kind of reversal confirmation there in the way of the shapes of the candles. So at the moment, I've got this one here from Friday. This one is this morning's. So if, for example, this morning's one should end up looking something like that and stay within the boundaries of the Friday one, that would be an inside candle, and that would be my signal for a trade tomorrow. Okay, so let's keep an eye on this one. Let's see how today's candle ends up, and we may be ready to trigger this tomorrow morning. Okay, so there you have it. The chart of the day is the US CAD on a daily time scale. All right, what's on the agenda for the session, which is about to kick off? Well, we only have one solitary bit of data. It is from the US at 10:30 p.m. tonight. It's the Empire State Manufacturing Index number, which is due out. That pretty much wraps up for this morning, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day, and I'll speak to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.